Donald Ray, not Donald Ray, Trump said what they shout, one USA, like we are not Korean, we are not Filipinos. It's just only we have one BIS, right? Yes. We stand there, funeral ceremony? It's not funeral ceremony, right? Yeah, the celebration of the UN Day. Okay, I am pleased to welcome all of you on our celebration of the World's United Nations Day. In line with this year's theme, International Year of Pulses, Creating Awareness and Sustainability. I'm hoping that you will be aware of the importance of our environment and learn how to sustain it for the benefit of the next generation. Pulses are defined as edible seeds of various root crops. Like those seeds, people also grow into individuals who are fully aware of their environment and be able to withstand the test of time. With all these, they can be people of great use to the society they belong to. Like those pulses, may you all grow into people who can withstand anything. Always bear in mind, nothing is impossible when you try your best. Thank you and enjoy the UN Days. Thank you very much.